family had the most incredible time on this Tunisian cooking experience. From the moment we arrived, we were welcomed with such warmth and hospitality. The hosts made us feel like part of their family, and everything was perfectly arranged for both adults and kids to enjoy. We loved starting at the local market, where we learned about the fresh veggies, chicken, and eggs needed for the day. Our daughter especially enjoyed picking out vegetables and helping. Back in the kitchen, the hands-on cooking was fun and absolutely delicious. The final meal were unforgettable. Sharing the food we had just cooked together was the highlight of our trip. This experience was the perfect mix of cultural immersion, family-friendly activity, and incredible food. If you're visiting Sousse, we can't recommend this enough. It's a memory we will treasure.